walking through just one of the pools of the Baths of Diocletian. This is the Frigidarium that you see. And this was a 1.3 million square foot bathhouse that was built by Diocletian to handle 3,000 bathers. The restoration has made the tiles just like they were. The marble went up, the incredible decorations you've seen. But why do we think of this place? Because this is the man that brought the church the closest to extinction it's ever been. Anything he focused on, he was able to accomplish, except for one thing. He couldn't destroy God's church. Jesus said, "I'll build my church on this rock, and the gates of hell will not prevail against it." The closest the gates of hell got to destroying Christ's church was right here. The man who built this building tried throughout his entire rule to destroy the church, and finally, in 305, he retired. He couldn't destroy the church, and so he quit being the Roman Empire. No one else retired from being an emperor. When he faced off with the power of the cross of Jesus Christ and the testimony of God's people, he couldn't overcome them. I hope as we go through days of persecution ahead, you'll remember the believers from this time period that were faithful unto death and had a word of testimony, and they spoke for Christ at any cost.